Hello, today I'm going to talk about a product that I use. It is Arthritis Pain Cream by Rite. This is a good cream to use if you have just a normal ache or pain due to working out, soreness or stiffness in the neck or the arms or the shoulders. This is not a substitution for any kind of injection or medication that you would get for a more chronic pain. This is just something that you would use to throw on after you work out, or if you sleep on the wrong side of the bed, something like that. So as you can see, it comes in a box like so. The box can be compared to a toothpaste box or another box that, contains some type of a hand cream. And just so you can see, I have an ink pen here. The box is actually not that wide, but more so what matters is the contents in it. So you see it's pain relieving, and it's just for, again, joints and muscle relief, pain from your joints and muscles. Okay. So you have the tube here. I'm just going to give you a good measurement for size comparison. It's about the same length as this ink pen. It looks very similar to a toothpaste bottle. It's made of a plastic, this tube. And then you have a very secure flip cap that will prevent messes or spills, which is good. Okay, so generally I just open up like this. Depending on what area is hurting me the most, I just squeeze out a little bit. Now, as you can see, the cream is white. It's not an invisible gel, so just be mindful of that. But again, this really isn't like a lotion or a hand cream, so it's going to do its job. So you're going to rub it into your skin like so. Now, as you can see, I use a little bit too much because it is white. Now, if there is no odor, it does claim to be odor-free on the tube, and so that is definitely true to that. You don't really smell it. It doesn't give like an overly artificial medicated smell, which is great because if you're rubbing on your neck or your shoulders, obviously it's close to your face and you're not going to want to smell it. Basically what it does is it gives a soothing feeling, not quite like icy hot. It's a topical cream that can help you relax your muscles. Again, this is just temporary relief. And it does claim to be especially for arthritis. I don't have arthritis, but I have used this cream in the past, just on my shoulders or my neck. If I'm feeling a little bit of pain, it does do the trick for that as well. Again, you can get all types of shots and medications for aches and pains. But since arthritis is something that a lot of people struggle with, this is really good for that, because that means you can just kind of go and grab it from the store. So again, it is white in color, but it's not artificial. There's no artificial colorings, artificial smells. That's what makes it really great. Now, as you can see, this is a good amount of product. I don't use this that often, so that's why I have so much left of it. I think I use it maybe once or twice, but this is great for that. You can keep it in a nice dry room temperature area. It's not going to manipulate the product at all. It'll stay the way that it is, which is great. You can see the seal is tightly shut. You're not going to spill any of the product, which is great. You're not going to waste your money. I can squeeze it here and you see it's not coming out, which is good. So also, if you ever want to get just a little bit more, you can always open up the cap, which I don't really feel a need to do, but it's great. So how I would use this is basically what you would use. Say you have just issues with your shoulder or your neck or your back. Now, just so you know, this is great. It just gives you a list of things that it's good for. So arthritis, simple backache, muscle strains, sprains, bruises. Now, those are very minor. This is not a cream to substitute anything that you're already using for something that you're dealing with as far as pain. It's definitely inedible. It's only topical. But one great thing about this product is that it contains aloe and conditioners. So wherever you put it, it's not going to dry your skin out in that area, which is nice to know. Because obviously it's not a lotion and you're not going to want to apply it as a lotion. You're going to apply it in small amounts in that one problem area. Let me just give you a little bit of a demonstration. So I squeeze a little bit out on my finger. Now this might be a little bit too much because it doesn't blend into your skin. Again, it's not supposed to because it's not a lotion, but I put it on the area that's bothering me. I just rub it in like that. As you can see, it does disappear pretty well. I still have a lot more product left in my hand, which I'm not going to waste. It rubs in pretty well, and it gives a really soothing feeling. My muscles are relaxed. Also, again, there's aloe in this, which is great. Aloe is soothing, it's moisturizing, it's really, really great for your skin. It's a natural ingredient. I appreciate saying natural ingredients in all things that I use, so that's good to know. Also, there is no odor. It's odorless. Since people with arthritis are a little bit older, it's probably best that a product like this does not have any strong fragrances. It can cause them to be sensitive to the fragrance. It can be like a little bit overbearing, so it doesn't have any of that. The pouch is the size of a small toothpaste pouch. I'm going to just measure for you again so you can see it's about the length of this ink pen. And you can set it up like that on your countertop or wherever. It's definitely pourable, I would say. It's small enough to put it in a bag, but you're not going to want to take this with you, maybe unless you're going to the gym or vacation. It's not meant to be put, rubbed generously throughout your hands. So it's just not that kind of a product. But then again, it's really great. Temporary relief, which means that if you still feel pain, your pain still persists, you can use a little bit more. Again, this is not going to substitute you having to see a doctor if there's really something wrong. It's for minor aches and pains, small sprains, a little bit of a neck ache. So there's that. So it's the Pain Care Arthritis Cream from Rite. And thank you for listening. I hope that you found this information really helpful.